Welcome to the Custom Vantage training video on reprinting or printing multiple invoices. So there are times when you may wish to reprint a bunch of invoices for a customer or send them to them. So there are a couple of simple things that you can do. When we click on the invoices icon, we're doing the typical search window and it's listing invoices. Well, instead of opening a single invoice, I could check multiple invoices. Of course, I could filter by company or filter by person, etc. first, and then select from that group. But up here, if you go to the print button, there's a little arrow. And from there, we've got multiple options. So if we print the combined report, I'll start there. This is going to print whatever invoice report you have. I'm going to leave it at preview. And it's going to print each of those invoices. And as you can see, I've got each of those invoices. And I could have sent them to the printer. I could just review them, etc. I save them as a PDF document, email it all to the customer as one document. So that's a nice feature. Secondly, I can choose to print/send. What this is going to do is this is going to be the same as when you batch post. It's going to look at each customer and either physical print that invoice or email that invoice just the way it would during batch posting operation. So if I clicked on that, I would simply see that it's going to do what it would normally do under the batch posting, and that is print or email depending on what the customer is set up for. And that's done. Okay. Okay. So now we come to the print report. This option will take each of the reports I've selected, each of the invoices I've selected, and print them one at a time. So in this case, again, I'm going to allow it to preview so you'll see it to the screen. And it's now going to generate each one individually. There's the first one. When I close that, we go to the second one. Each report independent. There's the third one, etc. So that's an easy way to individually print multiple invoices or reprint. And then the final option is print grid, which is simply going to print what you see here in this selection list. So when I print that, you will then see it is merely the grid. So this would be nice if you were going to send it to Excel or something of that nature. I hope you found that educational and helpful. Thank you again for choosing Custom Vantage Office.